Model, 2018 Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 95 Manual M1000 Enterprise just serviced. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,797. MOT, the 9th of August 2024. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 FDUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Just been fully serviced, including the timing belt kit being replaced. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, air-con, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail,